If you want to clear the cache on your Samsung Galaxy phone, there's a couple of different ways to do it, and a couple of different types of cache you can clear. Let's take a look. So the first, easiest, and probably most common way to clear cache would be to clear the cache for a specific app. I'll go to Settings and then scroll down to Apps. And from the list of apps, you'll find the app that you want to clear cache for. Once you have the app info open, you'll scroll down to Storage, and from there you'll see a Clear Cache button on the bottom of your screen. Cache clearing is safe because cache files are temporary files that get regenerated all the time. But be careful not to tap the Clear Data button instead. That'll remove all your accounts and preferences for that app, and you'll be starting from scratch, like you just downloaded the app for the first time. Besides individual app cache, the other place to look for would be under Settings and Device Care. This will show kind of an overall health check for your phone's performance, and you can, for example, tap the Memory section and let your phone scan its current memory use, and then clean up the memory by eliminating unnecessary background tasks. There's also an optimization section here. Basically, your phone might need to restart periodically to ensure it runs smooth, and this menu allows you to choose the options for auto restarting. You can set your phone to restart when needed, basically anytime issues are detected, or you can set your phone to restart on a schedule. For example, on specific days at a specific time, like in the middle of the night when you're not using your phone. Think of this as background housekeeping that runs automatically in the background when you're sleeping. One more, sort of a power user way to optimize and speed up your phone is to use the Galaxy App Booster. To use that, we'll first go to the Galaxy Store to download the Good Guardians app, which is Samsung's own app designed for system maintenance type of tasks. I'll go to Search, I'll type in Good Guardians, and once I find it in the search results, I can tap the app and install it on my phone. Once the install finished, we'll open the app and get started. It'll ask me to install a Good Guardians agent, basically a background component that allows this app to do its job. And after that, I'll get a few prompts about permissions to show notifications, etc. I'll allow all those, and then return back to the Good Guardians app. I'm in the app, it'll show these different components to the app, and we'll be using the Galaxy App Booster. This part is kinda confusing, but I'll need to download the Galaxy App Booster, almost like a separate app. So we'll install that, wait for it to finish, and after that, we'll open it and get started. Using this is pretty straightforward. You'll tap Optimize Now, and then just wait. Just a heads up, this will take a long time, but it can speed up your phone significantly, especially after bigger software updates. Normally, when you open an app, your phone has to translate its code on the fly, which causes micro-stutters and drains your battery. This gets way worse after a big software update because all those old translations are wiped out, which is why your phone suddenly runs hot and feels incredibly sluggish. Running this tool forces your phone to pre-compile and optimize every single app on your device all at once, before you're even opening those apps. By doing that heavy lifting in the background, your apps launch up to 15% faster, your processor doesn't have to work as hard, and that annoying post-update battery drain vanishes instantly. Technically, this isn't about clearing cache, but it has similar effect, making your phone work faster and smoother. And that's how you clear cache and optimize your phone. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.